Fathers, how did your child change your life forever? Like any new parent, I thought my daughter's first word would be Dada. Instead, she pointed at my heart medication and said, bad. I laughed it off. She was only 2, what did she know? But she wouldn't stop. Every morning when I took my pills, she'd cry and say bad over and over. My wife said she was just being fussy. The doctor said kids that age mimic behaviors they see. Then one morning, my daughter knocked the pills out of my hand. They scattered across the floor, and she started stomping on them, screaming bad through her tears. Something about her desperation made me pause. I took the remaining pills to be tested. The pharmacist's face went white. These aren't heart medication, she said. They're poison. Turns out my wife had been slowly increasing the dosage, replacing my medicine with toxic lookalikes. The insurance policy on me was worth millions. She'd been planning this since before our daughter was born. The police found 3 sets of fake pills in her purse, each more lethal than the last. They also discovered she'd been practicing forging my signature on bank documents. She'd already drained half our savings into an offshore account in the Cayman Islands and Dubai. Now it's just me and my little guardian angel. She still checks my medicine every morning, but these days she smiles and says good instead. Sometimes I wonder if she really knew what was happening, or if some higher power was speaking through